Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to square a number. First, we will take a number 57. How to do square of this number? You have to divide into three parts. First part will be the square of first number. Here it is 5. So 5 square. And the last part will be square of last number. Here it is 7. So 7 square. The middle part will be 5, 7 and 2. Multiply these three numbers. 5 into 7 into 2. So the answer, here it will be 25. Here it will be 70. And here it will be 49. So the final answer, you have to choose the unit placed digit only. Here it is 9. So put 9 and the 4 will be added with this number. So 70 plus 4 equal to 74 and put the unit place here. Then the 7 will be added to this number. It will be 25 plus 7 is equal to 32. And put this 32 in here. The total square of 57 will be 3249. Let us take a 3-digit number. So here the rule is same. First divide it into 2, like 12. Consider 12 as a number and 8 another number. So first part will be 12 square and the last part will be 8 square and the middle part will be 12 into 8 into 2. So 12 square will be 144. If you don't know the square of this number, you have to calculate like this here. 1 square, 2 square and here 1 into 2 into 2. So here it is 1, 4, 4. Okay. And here it is 64. If we multiply 12 into 8 into 2, we will get 192. So the final answer, we will take only the unit placed number. Okay, 4 here, so 6 will be added to this. Plus 6, it will be 198. So 8 will be placed here and 19 will be added with this number. So it will be 163. So put this whole number here. So 128 square will be 16384. There is a special trick when the unit place of the number is 5. Here you have to square the 5 here and the leftover number will be multiplied with the next number. Here it is 8, so multiply this number with the next of this number. The next of 8 it is 9, so multiply this with 9. So the number will be 72 and 5 square will be 25. Like this, when it is 55 square, it will be 5 square and next number of 5 will be 6. So multiply this, it will be 30 and 5 square will be 25.